Hey everybody, this is Rebecca Totilo with the Aroma Hut Institute. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm visiting my tiny house and we're going to go in today and make us a couple of DIYs. This time I'm making a DIY homemade wood polish furniture recipe, so let's go in. Okay, so today we're going to be doing our DIYs from my book, Cleaning with Essential Oils. So this is 2 recipes that you have available for making your own homemade polish for wood furniture. So it's very simple to make. You will need a bottle or a container for your blend. And we're only going to be using 2 ingredients. We're going to be using olive oil and lemon essential oil, or you could use orange essential oil. Now in this we're going to be using 2 ounces of our olive oil, and I'm just going to pour it right into my bowl here. And we're going to use our lemon, which will be about 5 drops. I'm going to just stir it up. So let's go find a place that we can test this out to make sure it's safe for the wood furniture that we have. And then we're going to see how it works on a piece of furniture that we have here. All right. Wow, thick, thick, thick. But I do like seeing that it is getting a lot of those imperfections taken care of. I've got quite a few marks on this piece that need to be sanded down and taken out. But wow, what a shine, huh? Take a look at this. This is before and this one's after. Before. Nice. Okay, so now we could actually add vinegar into this, and it's a variation on the recipe in the book, Cleaning with Essential Oil. I'm going to share both links below for these recipes, so you can visit our website at aromahut.com and get these recipes. So simple to make. This is a very easy DIY when you run out of that Pledge furniture polish or that Form B's wood polish that you pay a premium price for. Thanks for watching. I hope you'll visit us again at Aroma Hut. Love to hear how your polish turns out. Leave a comment below. Bye bye.